So this is what we actually have every morning when we wake up, especially now that it's cold, because you mix it with hot water. So it's like really nice to hold something warm in the morning that's gonna give you a bit of a kickstart to the day. So this concoction is a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a small tablespoon of Manuka honey, some glutamine, some fresh lemon, and cayenne pepper. And it's gonna be really spicy.
The cayenne pepper gets me. That's what gets me out of bed.
So this is our special little morning drink. It sort of feels like, you know, it's a bit of a kickstart because it's got that cayenne pepper in there. So it's spicy and you kind of wake up from it.
Oh, I definitely wake up from it.
Yeah. Then glutamine is really good for muscle recovery. So you can take it before or after the gym. For us, it just works to have it first thing in the morning. And then you've got so many health benefits with Manuka honey and apple cider vinegar. Lemon in the morning is really great too. So it just kickstarts your metabolism for the day ahead.
Welcome to the vlog, Pia.
Darling, I've got do not disturb mode on.
It's a blue sky day, but man, oh, there's almost steam.
Yeah, there's not even.
Feels like there should be.
We're forcing ourselves to go to the gym because
I'm fat.
that's not what I was gonna say at all. You look very handsome, actually.
That's because I shaved. The reason being is because I've started to get some grey hairs. And I've started shooting the vlog in 4K. And it's bothering me that I can now say, oh no, I've been shooting the vlog in 4K for a long time, but we got a 4K TV. And now I'm seeing all the imperfections in my head. And I hate it. I want to get a retainer. I'm going to get Botox.
This is why we haven't vlogged in 2 weeks.
No, we didn't vlog in 2 weeks because we needed some time off, to be perfectly honest. You might hear my voice is a bit bad. After Coachella, I had like the desert flu that everyone seems to get because of the dust inhalation. And then it became very easy to get out of habit. I think if you don't vlog regularly, it's really hard to pick up a camera and go, hi. Come on, this way, get out the road. Come on, out the road. Good bird. There we go.
Hi, could I order a smoothie but have it in here?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. It doesn't look like much, but it's gonna taste awesome.
There is no way you're getting that out. Look, it doesn't come out.
Don't do that.
It's not coming out.
It'll come out.
It's like peanut butter. Yeah, go on. Have you actually got any out yet? No, exactly. We've already had our gym session this morning, so
yes.
We should just go straight into breakfast.
Okay, so we basically switch between 2 breakfasts. One is like the sweet one. Sometimes we have a bit of a sweet tooth, so we make protes. That one I'll show you guys another day because today we're feeling savory. So we are doing avocado with some alfalfa sprouts, egg, and tomato, and a piece of toast.
This is my favorite. When it gets colder, it's nice to have something a bit warm.
Okay, we have soy and linseed bread. We're gonna have 1 slice each. So we have some organic eggs. I put them in the pan with no oil or butter or anything, just like that.
We should, you know what we should do moving forward? We should grill them a little bit. Yeah, just do it as a half. Yeah. And then I reckon, yes. Mmm, that's what I like. Look at how good these avocados are. Oh, that is really, really nice. And with our meal, we always have this stuff.
Yes. So we bring this with us everywhere we go, including traveling and everything like that. It is a superfood greens powder. So it just means that every single day, if you have this in the morning, you're getting in so many vegetables and minerals and everything like that. So it's just an easy way to make sure you're eating enough greens.
And it's pineapple flavor, which I love. Disclaimer, we are sponsored by More Life, but this is not a sponsored video.
I know, we had these even before More Life. We had these and then showed them on stories and then More Life hit us up.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Hey, do you want to work with us?
That's how legit we like this stuff. Aww. The Pika crew have missed you. Say hello. Say hello, give it a shake. Shake. Good girl. Well done. Good girl with your tricks. Just so flat. You're so flat, muesli.
Can you believe that this is autumn? Like everywhere else in the world, you'd be wearing thick jumpers and everything. I got to admit, I'm a tiny bit chilly in this summery outfit that I've worn, but I just can't get over how nice it is. I really want to go to that shop that has all the nice nuts and grains and everything, and I want to get some freshly squeezed peanut butter.
Oh.
Freshly buttered peanut butter.
I didn't realise the peanut butter is actually just peanut squash. You don't need to put other stuff in it.
No, you don't need to, and that's the one that we should, I mean, that's the one that we always buy.
Well.
But the one that you get, like, you know, in America, like the Reese's.
Vlog.
Yeah!
These guys, I recognise those voices.
Wait, so you're telling me that our vlog helped you come to Sydney?
Yes.
Oh my god,
I hope you're watching this, Tourism Sydney.
What was I talking about? Peanut butter? I was talking about peanut
I think
butter.
we can end that conversation up.
Well, I'm gonna get some. I think I won't end the conversation until I'm eating some peanut butter. Alright, let's stock up some nice ingredients, yeah?
Peanut butter.
So this is a shop that we like to come to because they have no packaging.
It's good, right?
See, everyone's on board.
So we want almond, crunchy, or smooth.
Ooh.
I mean, smooth is where it's at for me.
You want
I
smooth?
love smooth peanut butter.
Alright, let's get smooth and almond. And what else? Hazelnut butter.
I mean, isn't that like just Nutella? Wait, what's that say?
That's it.
Why does that say Nutella?
Because it's basically like cacao with hazelnuts. So it's Nutella, but without all the, you know,
Sugar?
palm sugar and all that sort of stuff.
Oh, that's the bit I like.
Do you want to try it?
I mean, not really. Nutella has been part of my life for my whole life. I don't want to ruin it.
Oh, come on, we got to give it a go. I'm putting you on a health kick, baby. No more processed food. We're going to have all nice, raw, fresh, real food. Let's go. See, I'm in the mood for it.
Because every so often Pia gets in this mood to suddenly get on a super health kick, and this is going to be our dessert for the next like 6 weeks. And then she'll be back on ice cream.
I know, well, I go through phases. Sometimes I just completely give up, especially when we're traveling and like at Coachella we were just partying, I was drinking, and then every day I was just eating like tacos, pizza, burgers.
Oh, so this is your guilt.
This is me.
This is your guilt
This is me
kicking
trying
in.
to undo Coachella. So you basically just walk around, you fill up what you need, there's no packaging or anything like that, it's just these tubs. And then I've brought this, so it's like a big canvas bag so that I can do all my grocery shopping and take it home. So I'm getting some of this granola here because in the mornings what we like to do is make protein oats, and I do like to sprinkle some stuff on it. So some of this granola, some fresh chia seeds, and then a bit of fruit, and that makes a really nice brekkie.
I have been editing, and the smell of what is coming out of the kitchen is so good. I figured I should come out and film this because we were meant to be filming of what I eat in a day.
So for lunch when we're at home, what we do is throw together a big salad because it's just so easy. We always have a bunch of fresh veggies in the fridge. So what I've put in here is some baby spinach, onion, capsicum, corn, tomatoes, a little bit more avocado because we're just avocado obsessed.
Oh no, I love it so much.
And also if you put avocado...
What's that noise?
Muesli!
Hello?
Oh, do you want to come and tell everybody what we're eating? She's like, well, I wish I was eating this too, because it smells really good.
Hello.
But I have to have dog biscuits.
Okay, so back to this. So we've got avocado, we've got corn, tomato, carrots. There looks like there's some sliced onions in there, capsicum. These I detest. I'm pretty upset that you put these in.
They're so good for you.
I know, but I just don't like them.
So one thing I really like to do with my salads is put some chopped up sun-dried tomato in there, and then you mix it all together because they just pack such a punch. You don't need a lot to add so much flavor. And then what I've done is I've gotten some slivered almonds and I throw them in a little pot and just roast them for a little bit, and they're actually still warm. So I put that on top, and all I'm gonna do is a little bit of white wine vinaigrette and a really beautiful olive oil. So Kane's gonna have some chicken with his. I've just seasoned this with like a chipotle seasoning to give it a bit of kick and flavor. And I'm gonna actually have mine with a dollop of hummus.
You join us mid-shoot. We are just about to film an IGTV video, like these portrait videos that Pia's been doing for her styling on Instagram. If you follow her on Instagram, you'll know what I'm talking about.
This is the first stylish outfit.
No, that is definitely not. Take that off now. All right, can you just quickly talk through the setup? Because
Yeah.
this is something we haven't ever shown anyone, and I think it's quite interesting. So
Yes.
How do we do this?
Okay, so I've been filming these videos for IGTV where I get changed like 5 or 6 times. Today's video that I'm doing is like trans-seasonal, so how I'm wearing the pieces that I bought in summer now that it's getting a little bit colder here. So sort of in between seasons.
So even though it's summer in most of the world, because we live in Australia and we're on the bottom of the planet, we are now entering winter.
So what we have is we have all the different outfits. I'm gonna do 5 outfits to film. They range between like casual and going out and stuff like that.
Yep.
So what we did is earlier, Christina and I laid them out and then paired them with the right kind of accessories and shoes, and then we took photos of each outfit so we know exactly what she needs to pass me.
Yep.
And then basically I go here and I whip off this robe and I stand there and basically just hang out with that camera.
One other thing you might notice is the camera is, it's portrait. We're not shooting it in landscape because this is going on IGTV. So that's kind of like an added issue we have to deal with because everything's on its side and then editing it in portrait is a bit weird. But it works out quite well, so that's why we do that.
And normally I go in front of that mirror there so that I can actually see what I'm doing when I'm getting dressed. This time, these guys have decided that we're doing it here, so I'm gonna be blindly getting changed.
I mean, we can do it there if you want.
I think we've just moved all the mess over that way.
Yeah, I know. All of our lunch is over there.
All our mess is over that side of the
See,
room.
imagine it's going to be like this.
Yeah.
Works quite well.
Might be one of my favorite styling videos that I've done. The looks are really cool and really different. So if you're into that kind of thing, go check out my IGTV. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow, Pia.
You didn't actually film me making it, but I did make this. So what we're doing for dinner is having salmon teriyaki. So the salmon teriyaki, the sauce has a bit of sugar in it and stuff like that, but to kind of make it a bit of a healthier option, I've put it on a bed of cauliflower rice. So that, instead of actual rice, is just cauliflower grated up into tiny little pieces and heated up. And then we've got asparagus, some broccolini, some sesame seeds, and some shallots on there. So that is dinner tonight.
And for dessert?
For dessert, we are having some sliced watermelon.
Nice, I love that.
So that's basically what we eat in a day, guys. I know it was a bit of a different kind of video because we were shooting from home today. We shot that IGTV video, so that should already be live on my Instagram if you want to go check out what I shot today. But yeah, we wanted to show you guys what we eat because you've been asking for that for a while, so here it is. If you like this kind of video, make sure you subscribe, leave us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.